Most people think you cannot get a cash advance without a bank account. That's the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Because in 2026, there are still ways to access emergency money, even if you are unbanked or underbanked. You just need to know how the system actually works. Here's the truth no one tells you. Most cash advance apps are built around bank accounts, but some alternatives use payroll systems, debit cards, or prepaid accounts instead. Quick promise. In this video, you'll learn the best cash advance options without a traditional bank account, how they work, and how people like you can still get fast emergency cash safely. Let's start with the reality check. Most apps like Earnin or Dave usually require a linked bank account. That's how they track income and send funds. But here's the problem. Not everyone has a standard checking account. Some people use prepaid debit cards or employer payment systems instead. So what actually works in 2026? First option is payroll-linked cash advance services like Payactiv. Instead of requiring a bank account, Payactiv connects directly to your employer's payroll system. So if Jake works at a warehouse and gets paid through a payroll provider, he can access earned wages early without needing a traditional bank account. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some prepaid debit cards now offer early wage access features. For example, certain Wisely or Skylight cards allow employers to deposit funds and give access to earned wages before payday. This means your debit card becomes your financial access point instead of a bank account. Second option is earned wage access through employers. This is becoming more common in retail, delivery, and healthcare jobs. You don't apply through an app the same way. Instead, your employer offers it as a benefit. So if Maria works part-time in a grocery store, she might already have access without realizing it. Third option is fintech apps that accept prepaid cards. Some newer platforms in 2026 allow linking a verified prepaid debit card instead of a bank account. But here's the catch. Limits are usually smaller, and verification may take longer. But here's the problem you need to watch out for. If an app promises large cash advances without any income verification or banking connection, it is usually a red flag. That can lead to hidden fees or predatory repayment terms. So how do you stay safe? Always check how repayment is handled. Make sure you understand fees before accepting any advance. And avoid services that require upfront payments just to access money. To wrap it up, the best cash advance options without a bank account in 2026 include Payactiv, employer-based earned wage access, and select prepaid debit card systems with early pay features. They are not perfect, but they can help during real emergencies. If this helped you understand your options better, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more simple money guides that actually work in real life.